Angelica, happy birthday. God bless you. More birthdays to come. Take care. Yeah. Bye.
Go, go.
Hi Jel! Happy birthday! Tanda mo na ate! Um, Good luck sa inyo ni Matthew. Sana tumagal pa kayo and everything. Tapos good luck sa lahat. Tapos pag may hangout, sasama ako Tapos sana magbati-bati na tayo ulit lahat-lahat. Tropa. Bye-bye!
Happy 19th birthday, Angel. Alam ko namang masaya ka na ngayon and wish ko sana mas maging masaya ka pa. Saka lagi mong tatandaan na you deserve nothing but the best and huwag ka mag-settle to anything less than that. Lagi lang din ako nandito for you like you're always there for me. Saka huwag ka mahihiyang lumapit sa akin. Hindi ko man nasasabi sa'yo na madalas pero alam ko namang alam mo na I love you so much. Happy 19th birthday ulit and I wish you all the best.
Hi Jel, happy 19th birthday. Ayan, 19 ka na. So yun, sabi nga ni Ramon Bautista, pwede ka na umibig dahil 19dihan mo na ang mga bagay-bagay. So yun, good luck. Good luck sa studies, good luck sa love life mo. Sana stable na yan. Kayo na talaga. So yun, syempre I wish you all the best. Tsaka wait, para kung kinuha ni Lord. Yun, I wish you all the best. Yun, see you kung kailan ulit tayo magkita. Happy birthday!
Hi girl! Happy birthday! Ito, sabi ni Ivan, mag-message daw ako sa'yo. So, ayun, happy birthday! Thank you for the friendship. You know that I'm always here for you. And I wish you nothing but the best. Good luck sa studies natin next term. It's time to redeem yourself. And, ayun, I wish na maging okay yung love life mo. Well, alam ko namang happy ka na ngayon. Ayun, I'm always here for you and good luck to us. And I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Angel! Hi, Angel! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! We wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Good luck in your everyday life. We hope you're always happy. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Have a good one! Have a nice one! Bye-bye!
Hi Angel, happy birthday. Ayun, always naman tayo nagkakausap like, you know, everyday naman. Sorry, 2 AM na. Kaya ganito na itsura ko. Force lang ako gumawa video. Hindi, joke. Ayun, I miss you. Magkikita naman tayo sa 8. So, ayun. Antayin mo na lang yung message ko. Sana, matupad lahat ng wish mo. Ayun, happy birthday ulit. Basta, yung message ko sa'yo, sa text na lang. Yun lang. Bye-bye! Good night!
Happy birthday, Angelica. I'm thankful na naging friend ka kasi you've offered me help throughout those way since nakalala kita more nung Tayles kasi we're classmates there second year. It was really fun time kasi even if di tayo masyado close we were able to at least get to know ourselves, acquaint ourselves with each other. Tapos I'm also thankful that we've been classmates mostly kasi doon kita at least medyo talagang nakilala kasi nung Tayles nga we're not that close kasi yun. But I think yung paths natin nag-cross kasi Lasal pareho tapos almost the same course pa, so yun, parang we've been seeing each other most of the time if not at least once or twice a week, parang kasi minsan yung class mo doon din yung class ko or magkatabi lang yung room or minsan same prof, different times lang. So yeah, I hope that our friendship would get stronger pa lalo na this coming year. If ever we'll encounter same class, yeah, I hope that yan, tulungan and of course be there for each other. I'm thankful being your friend. So yan, see you around Lasal and good luck sa intro natin, you know, Robles. Yeah, time for maturity, I guess. Yeah, so yan, I know kaya naman natin yan. Basta yan, study well, reach for your dreams, take good care of yourself, and happy birthday again. Bye.
Ayan! Happy birthday, Angel! Gurang ka na naman! As usual, ito pa yung message ko sa'yo. More blessings to come, tsaka good luck sa studies, sa family, and sa love life. And sana, makapag-bonding na ulit tayo nila Marian kasi medyo matagal-tagal na rin bago tayo gumala ng SM ulit. Charot, joke. Ay, hindi pala, Bacoor pala tayo pumunta. Ayun. Basta, ingatan mo lang lagi sarili mo and God bless. I love you.
Happy birthday, Angel! And happy birthday, Angel!
Happy birthday! Hope you have an awesome one.
Yup.
Love you.
God bless.
God bless you.
Surprise! Anyway, happy birthday, Angel. So, sana today maging happy ka. Lahat ng wish mo magkatotoo. More birthdays to come, good health, more blessings. Sana yung studies mo, pagtuloy-tuloy mo yung this term mo, kasi I know, kaya mo naman yon. Always remember that we're here for you, we got your back. Sana kayo ni Ivan, forever na kayo, wala namang mangyaring kahit anong negative vibes, bad vibes, or whatsoever. Yun, enjoy nyo lang in life, and be happy together. Always be happy, okay? Anyway, yun lang. Sige, bye-bye. Happy birthday!
So yun, simple lang naman ang birthday message ko sa'yo. Yun, sana lagi kang masaya. Ayun, studies mo maayos, tapos walang problema. And then, family mo, okay ka. Shit. Tapos, yun. So, in every aspects of life, positive yun. Ano lang, pag may problema, don't carry your own burdens. You can always share to me. Pero totoo yun, nandito ako para makinig. Always, all the time. So yun, huwag mo susarilihin kasi pag nasa-stress ka, scary, nakakatakot ka, hindi joke. Totoo. Pero, partly totoo. Huwag mo lang saseryoso. Huwag mo lang solohin yung mga bagay-bagay. Ganun, kasi nga, yun, basta, alam mo na yan. And next naman is parang galingan mo sa studies mo, lalo na next term. Kasi, di ba, alam mo naman kung ano nangyari. Pero, don't let that get you down kasi kaya mo naman bumawi niyan even though wala na yung honors. Kaya pa din. Basta makagraduate with honors. So, yun. Ano ba bang pwede i-wish sa'yo? Dahil pwedeng sabihin kaso video. So, yung iba, sabihin ko sa text message or letter or whatever. Basta yun. So, sana nagustuhan mo yung small and short and simple video presentation na inanda namin ng mga kaibigan mo para sa'yo. Na inisip ko. Ayun. So, what else to say? Basta, always be happy. And, lagi ka maging masaya. And, alam mo naman yung pagiging masaya na hindi nakakasakit na yung mga tao, diba? Ayun, alam mo na yan. Wala ka na. 19 ka na. Magkasing edad na naman tayo. Okay, so yun. Basta, always be yourself, no? Kahit alam natin na minsan masungit ka or ganun, okay lang. Carry pa din. Basta wag lang lagi. Joke lang. Okay lang yun. And, ano pa bang pwedeng sabihin? Ayun. Sana na-enjoy mo yung video presentation na pinrepare. Ulit, no? Pero, matagal ko kasi yung pinrepare yun tapos kinram ko na lang bigla. And yun, wala nga yung ibang videos kasi out of town sila or hindi ko sila makontak ng maayos. So, birthday messages na lang. Ayun. Say hi to Yana for me. Tapos, always be good, okay? Yun lang. Happy birthday, Angel, ulit. Happy birthday. Happy 19th birthday. Thank you sa lahat. Sobrang okay na dito ako ulit sa birthday mo. Just like what you were, where you were, or whatever. Basta tagalogin ko na lang dahil nahirapan ako mag-English. Katulad ng birthday ko, nandun ka din. Nandito ulit ako ng birthday mo. 19th birthday. It's been a year. It's been wild. It's been a heck of a year. So yun, always be good. Always be happy. Always pray. Japan. Just always pray. At night. Okay? So yun. See you later.